SwissBorg Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The SwissBorg Wallet app has quickly gained attention for blending crypto investing with smart portfolio tools. But is it really worth using, or just another overhyped crypto app? Most people get this wrong, but here's why SwissBorg might surprise you. Let's start with the pros. SwissBorg is designed to make crypto investing simple, transparent, and data-driven. It's more than a wallet, it's an all-in-one wealth management platform for digital assets. The app supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and allows users to buy, sell, and earn yield on their holdings. One of its strongest features is a smart engine, which scans multiple exchanges in real time to find the best available price before you execute a trade. This means you're not overpaying on transaction spouts like on some other platforms. SwissBorg also offers a community-centric approach. Users can stake SwissB, the platform's native token, to unlock premium tiers that offer lower fees, higher yields, and exclusive benefits. This rewards loyalty and gives users a direct stake in the ecosystem's growth. In terms of security, SwissBorg operates with bank-level protection, including multi-signature wallets and advanced encryption. The company is also regulated in Switzerland, a country known for strict financial compliance, which adds another layer of trust. But now, let's look at the cons. While the app is sleek and intuitive, it's not fully decentralized. Users technically rely on SwissBorg infrastructure to store and manage assets, which might not appeal to those who prefer full custody wallets. Another drawback is limited availability in some regions, as not all features, especially yield programs, are accessible globally due to regulatory restrictions. Lastly, fees can add up for smaller transactions, especially if you're not on a premium tier. In conclusion, SwissBorg is one of the most user-friendly and transparent crypto wealth apps available today. The surprising truth? It's perfect for long-term investors who value convenience and smart analytics, but not ideal for hardcore decentralization purists. It's where simplicity meets strategy, and that's what makes it stand out.